Okay, I'm going to try a couple of panoramas and a 3x3 maybe. We'll see how it does. Oh, by the way, I switched it up to 4K 30 today. Slower shutter down a little bit, hopefully. And also, I'm shooting in Vlog. That's a 10-bit, and I'm using LumaFusion to break it down. You could use LUTs, or you could just shoot in the standard mode and go with the regular colors. But that's not one of the reasons I got this camera. I would say that, let's go guys, come on. I would say that the focusing on the photos and the video is the same. And it's pretty good. And the focus grabs quick. Again, there's some shortcuts on the camera. There's a whole bunch to learn here, and I plan on doing a whole bunch more videos. There you go, buddy. So I'm going to do a whole bunch more videos on this until I feel like I got it down. And then I'll do a review or whatever. I probably won't do a how-to, but I'll definitely do some how-tos for different scenarios of use. So instead of focusing on specs and things, I'm actually going to take it out and use it. So. Yeah.